Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on backup. And of course we will have to sign in, so let's tap on next and tap on add account. Of course, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, just tap on add account. We will have to do it right now, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me quickly do it. And tap on next. Here we've got the place where we can enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, perfect. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after the reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we want to backup. So we can backup photos and videos or other device data like contacts, call history, text messages, etc. So just mark the option you'd like to use. I'll choose this one and tap on confirm. Then tap on manage backup. And here we've got in the backup section where we can check, for example, how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got the backup details, so of course we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off, so you can avoid some unnecessary charges. And all you have to do to finish everything is to tap on backup now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.